In this video, I will show you how to pay with cash on the Bolt app. So there are two options that you can take when you want to do this. And first of all, you need to open your Bolt app and from here navigate to the Home tab and then click on the three stripes at the top left. From here, go ahead and click on Payment. And once you are in Payment, you will basically see a couple of options that you can select. So let's go ahead and click on Personal, or you can also change it to Work if you want to use your work account. And then you can basically add a payment method. And you can also select to use your Bolt balance. So when you want to use cash, you can top up your Bolt balance by clicking on Add Money at the top. And then you can just top it up with the preferred payment method that is available in your country. And then you can just go ahead and proceed to payment. And this is a form to just pay with normal cash. But if you want to pay with real cash, for example, let's say you want to pay with physical money, then you can do this, but you have to do something extra in order to do this. The first thing that you can do, of course, it is really simple and you can just go to a local bank or ATM and then just deposit your physical cash in there and then top it up with the Bolt balance. But if you want to do it faster, you can also click on promotions in the left bar. And once you do that, you can just enter a promo code in here. And then you need to buy a promo code from Bolt with your physical cash. So you can just go ahead and search for locations nearby where you can buy Bolt promo codes. Then you can buy them with physical cash and then enter the promo code in here. And then this is also a way to pay with cash on your Bolt app. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.